Patent Fire Safety Systems, a proudly Australian company, can provide Trust Fire brand products which have the unique TrueTest facility, which will allow one person to easily test interconnected AS3786 smoke alarms. Single-person testing options would be possible via the use of a wall-mounted control panel, as shown here, or a handheld device. The control panel option will be discussed from here on in. An internal control panel is connected to the interconnected AS3786 compliant smoke alarms. The number of smoke alarms connected to the control panel can vary. In this example, 3 smoke alarms are connected. One person goes to the control panel and then places the first test switch into test mode. A signal is then sent to smoke alarm number 1. Placing the first test switch into test mode is the same as physically being at smoke alarm number 1 and pushing its test button. Having LED number 1 come on indicates that the smoke alarm number 1 sounder has operated. This has confirmed the first detection and occupant warning function for smoke alarm number 1. The second and third LEDs also come on. This means all of the other interconnected smoke alarms, in this particular example smoke alarms 2 and 3, have also received a signal from the first smoke alarm and their sounders have operated. This has confirmed the second detection and occupant warning function for smoke alarm number 1. So in this example, all 3 sounders are operating and there is no need for a second person to walk around the residence to confirm this. Note that the third detection and occupant warning function for smoke alarm number 1, that its sounder would operate upon receiving a signal from one of the other smoke alarms, is yet to be tested. At the completion of this first successful test, the first test switch is returned to its normal position and the 3 LEDs will no longer be on. This very simple testing process is then repeated for the remaining smoke alarms. Here, the second test switch is placed into test mode, which is the same as physically being at smoke alarm number 2 and pushing its test button. Note that a successful test, confirmed by all of the LEDs coming on, would also mean that the third function of the first smoke alarm had now also been successfully tested. It has been previously explained that where there are multiple interconnected smoke alarms, that just having one person pushing the test buttons cannot fully test all of the 3 detection and occupant warning functions. This has been a very simple demonstration on how one person can easily test the 3 detection and warning functions of interconnected AS3786 smoke alarms. This simple example is also available as a download. Patent Fire Safety Systems can be contacted via the website or by the email addresses provided here.